Hello there foodies, it's your girl Clenum and welcome to my channel. Today on the menu we have a very quick one, and that is tomato sauce spaghetti, also known as pasta al pomodoro. So without wasting your time, let's dive right in. The ingredients needed are some tomatoes, dried chili, garlic, spaghetti, olive oil, some sugar, and some basil. As usual, all the ingredients and their quantities will be stated in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. We are going to start with the tomatoes and garlic. And what I'm going to do is to peel my garlic and squash it. I'm not going to chop it, but just squash it. And for the tomatoes, I'm going to cut each one of them into 4 equal parts. At this point, you can start cooking your pasta. So put your water on fire, let it boil, and then throw your pasta in there with some salt. Step number 2, just take your favorite pan, put it on a medium to low heat, and then add your olive oil. And when the olive oil is hot, all we have to do is to throw our garlic in there, fry it till we get a golden brown color, and then we're going to add our tomatoes. After 2-3 minutes of tossing around and cooking your tomatoes, you realize it begins to release the juice. And this is the point where you're going to add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now, what the sugar is going to do is not to just enhance the flavor of the sauce, but also get rid of the acidity, because we don't want all of that. And when that is done, we're going to get rid of the garlic because we don't need it anymore. And the last ingredients are going to be the basil and the chili before we add our spaghetti. After 5 minutes of cooking the sauce, it's now time to add my pasta. And what I normally do with my pasta recipes is that I conclude the cooking process of the spaghetti or whichever pasta that I have in the sauce, which means the instructions on the pasta package said cook for 8 minutes, and I did 4 minutes of cooking in the water and 4 minutes in the sauce. And while doing this, don't forget to add some of the water from the boiled pasta that contains starch, which is going to contribute to the flavor and creaminess of your sauce. So after this, I'm going to cover and let it cook for about 2 minutes, and our pasta will be ready. If you feel it's too much on the hard side, just add some of the water you used to boil the pasta and continue cooking. And if you feel it's dry, just add some olive oil and you're good to go. And just like that, our dinner or lunch is ready. And believe me, it doesn't just look good, but it tastes divine as well. So as usual, if you loved what you saw or if you like what you see, please do not forget to support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. And hey, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Till next time, to the next recipe, it's ciao for now.
Yes.